Basically, value proposition is a short sentence that explains the key value of your product that you deliver to your customers. It's just like one sentence that it's almost like an elevator pitch. You just sell it, you say, what is your target audience? What exactly your product does? What is like key, unique proposition of the product, and how you help your customers. A value proposition actually has a short formula which has 4 components. Number 1 is target audience. Who are you serving? Number 2 is unique proposition. What is like amazing? What is the killer features that your product has? Number 3 is unique differentiation. Obviously, your company or product has some competition. You need to distinguish what exactly makes your product unique and better than other competitive solutions. And number 4 is how your product solves the problem for your target audience. Is it like by the service, by the feature, by the speed? What is that unique component that makes it stand out and really solves the problem for the customer? So in terms of target audience, there are just 3 major things that you need to keep in mind. Number 1, and it's pretty basic, it's about demographics of the target audience. It is where your customers are located. For example, is it the US, China, like Asia, or Europe? So we need to know like some demographical characteristics like location, age, potential gender, like what kind of behaviors they show in terms of spending, like are there more, let's say, economy or luxury-based customers. Number 2 is what is like maybe a pain, what kind of problems they all have. For example, if you solve it for a specific like crypto product, you need to define, let's say, what kind of pain or like what kind of problems they might have. Is it because they're looking for a more secure solution for investment, or is it looking for to manage their crypto assets for like 3+ different wallets? In terms of the third component of target audience, it's important to understand their behavior. Like, as they're more into like, savers, they want to be risk averse, or they're more into like buying more assets and they're a little bit more on the risk spectrum. So behavioral things are really important into defining your target audience. The more you know about your customers, the better you can position your product, better you can write your value proposition.